Pwede pala eh, bago tayo magsimula. Anyong.
I'm searching Yacht Mascot.
Take the words for what they are. A dwindling mercury line. A drug that only works. This time you held me down, I go free. I fell in love. Realize I never had that much to lose. I saved my life. First few hundred times. That's the thing about illicit affairs and clandestine meetings and stolen stares. They show the truth one single time, but they lie and they lie and they lie a billion little times.
We are here outside waiting for our boat. Sasakay po kami ng yate. Yehey! Excited ka na? Yeah? Yes? Is it your first time?
Billion little times. And you wanna scream, don't call me kid, don't call me baby. Look at this godforsaken mess that you made me. You showed me colors you know I can't see with any.
Sobrang late naman na!
Hindi niya sure kung may bisita kang naiwan.
Ano sabi nila? Ha?
Balik na lang. Pagbalik na lang ako sila.
Pagbalik na lang sila.
Ay, ngayon ko alam mo lahat ang bisita ko pa.
Nakunang-kuna, kaya nga ako nawala.
Kaya na wala. Okay na ito ngayon. Nakasakay ba si Dip? Si Dip yata ang ulam. Ayan.
You will shake my hand also? Oh my God. Too formal. Sundan ko. Ako ba yung aspo? Sundan ko daw.
Alam, pinasasama ni Kim.
Kala ko ako yung proxy.
Ay, sige ako maghahawa.
Pagod na ata.
Shake hands with her.
Sige na, ano na. Sorry, mag-videographer siya.
Ikaw na lang mag-edit ha.
Baby.
Baka singilin mo kasi ako eh.
Parang
Ang bigat niya.
Mabigat?
Malaki yung pintas yung damit maliit.
Baby, you taught me a secret language I can't speak with anyone else. And you know damn well, for you I will ruin myself a billion little times. A billion little times. Cruelty.
No, careful. Slowly. Give me a second. Slowly.
Okay, Daddy.
Deep. Abu. Ow.
Al sekolah kita sangat sangat
Thank you.
Oh, kaway naman dyan yung mga artista natin dyan, oh. Eh! Kuya, hirap na hirap ah. What? Yung bumbulan. Tinakpan ko. Ay, ang pogi ng pang finale, oh. Ay, wa. Let's go. Yee!
What more? It is not click.
Eager.
Till I no. Till I click, you need to give her one back to back. One more.
Not the whole cake, di pa.
We need it. Wait, one more.
Give him big one.
Big one. Go on, Kim.
He whispered already. Small one.
Don't listen to him always.
Only today. Tomorrow.
Out of this town, right out of the city, away from the crowds. I thought heaven can't help me now. Nothing lasts forever.